All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some 0 to 60 tests and possibly some lap times on the two YFZs. So you've seen the YFZ-3, 300cc two-stroke KTM powered. Currently my favorite. Maybe it's newly biased. Versus the actual factory YFZ-450R. Basically stock with a Vortex ECU, airbox lid removed, but other than that, it's factory. So the first thing I want to test is is the two-stroke even faster than the 450? I feel like it is, but I want to go see with actual draggy data. Some people asked to see it versus the 300cc gas. We may pop that out today for a little rip just to see. Pretty sure it's got the 250R covered. And then obviously, I would like to see it versus stock Banshee or maybe Black Betty, which is just a stock Banshee with pipes. So we'll work our way up the list, starting with the YFZ. If it's not faster than a stock YFZ, then all we did that for was some sound and weight reduction. But I mean, just the armor all alone should make it faster. I asked Cole to wash it off from last time where we got a little dirty, and he went and did the full Puerto Rico detail on it. Looks like it's about to go to a show. So yeah, that is the plan for today. So I'm kind of digging the new layout. It's a little stacked there, but there's so much room for activities. And then this is I called it my favorite section. Favorite Banshees. Trinity, Orange 100, Betty White, Black Betty. Can't go wrong with a Bumblebee with PVR exhaust. Street legal Banshee, 100 miles an hour, hopefully. Still haven't tested that. Dean Sundahl 1, Dean Sundahl 2. So yeah, if I had to consolidate to 6 Banshees, it would be those for sure. And I would try to keep my old school retro 94 over there. That's my favorite retro. Hardware today. So I actually mount my phone like right here on the front of the helmet and then connect to the Draggy Pro. This one's strong enough you can just stick it in your pocket. A lot of times I have, on my other helmet, I have a magnetic mount there. But this one works fine in your pocket. But this will actually enable me to use the phone to record like it was on the dashboard of a car. It actually works pretty good. It's just not ideal to ride with a phone in your face, but for the content, it works good. All right, so I know I already did a couple intros on the last video, but just in case you missed it, KTM 300 MX, I think it's SX actually, I always get confused, and a 2025 YFZ-450R SE chassis. So I don't know if you noticed, but when I was riding the 450, it stalled out 3 times while I was warming up. It's so easy to flame out, and then this one is just touch the button. really official, but I just want to go get a quick lap time on Prospect Springs just to kind of see where it stacks up without getting too serious. I'm out of breath. I hadn't looked at the times yet, but that was probably like, let's say a good 85-90% without pushing too hard. It feels really good though.